Hello there, Hydrauliac here. Two more basic hydraulic schematic symbols to understand are the check valve and relief valve. A check valve is designed to only allow oil to travel across it in one direction. Thus, a lot of people make the mistake of reading the symbol as an arrow pointing in the direction of the allowed travel. However, we need to first understand how a check valve works. This is the seat. The ball sits in the seat and is held in place by the spring. Any oil trying to travel in this direction will push the ball even tighter into the seat and prevent flow across the valve. However, oil trying to travel from the other direction will push the ball into the spring. The spring will compress, and now oil has a path to travel through the valve. In this way, oil can only travel across a check valve in one direction. Understanding how a check valve works will help you remember how to read the schematic symbol. Moving on to the relief valve, like the check valve, it has a spring holding the valve closed. This dashed line is a pilot line to control when the valve opens. Once pressure in the pilot line is high enough to overcome the spring, the relief valve will shift and allow oil to travel through. Because the function and construction of check valves and relief valves is nearly identical, the symbols are often used interchangeably in schematics. The main difference between the two is their purpose. A check valve is used to control the direction of flow, while a relief valve is used to limit the maximum pressure. For this reason, a check valve will typically open at a much lower pressure than a relief valve. You can usually tell the difference between the two by how they are used in a schematic. A check valve will usually allow oil to travel to more of the system doing work, such as motors or cylinders. However, a relief valve will typically relieve to the tank or low pressure side of the system. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe to keep learning more about hydraulics. As always, thanks for watching.